Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, this is Nyoero, and if you've been here, thank you so much for always supporting me. And like always, I'm going to be serving you guys with a bomb video. I'm going to be showing you guys how to contour your hair, and your girl this time decided to switch it up and went for colors. So make sure you watch this video till the end so that you can see how I got to get this look. So guys, this is how the braid looks after mixing it all together. Wow, I know I'm taking a risk, but I hope it's going to look amazing. So before we start, we are going to separate the braids into small pieces, like something like that or so. Then do the braids. So doing your cornrows isn't as hard as you think. So you first separate 3 strands at the front as you would box braid your hair, then start adding some hair as you go on. So just braid like you would as you braid your box braids, then add more hair as you go on, and as you add your natural hair, you add the braid also. Also remember, the braids that you use to add at the front should be thinner compared to the braids you'll be adding towards the back, so that your cornrows can look realistic and neat. So start adding thinner braids as you go on, then you can just add the thickness as you finish, and that is just it. You can also see I'm adding the braid under the cornrow. This is because we want the cornrow to look very neat, because if you add on top, you are going to have lines through your cornrow. So if you want neat cornrows, add the braid under the cornrow. Add the braid under the cornrow, not on top. Yes, that is another tip and trick for you guys. So the next few clips are going to be showing how to cornrow in detail, so be really keen with this part at the front. And apart from that, that is just it about this tutorial. So sadly guys, this is the end of this video and I hope you are as satisfied as I am. It's been a minute since I did cornrows and I'm just proud of how they turned out, because normally I don't like to do my cornrows with these silky braids because I feel like it doesn't match my natural hair, but I thought why not risk it. I risked it with color. I ended up using only 2 packets of braids. I used the 144 color and number 30 color and I mixed them up because I've been seeing this trend on TikTok, and yeah, I'm not really in the mood of braiding my hair, doing knotless braids or so I thought let me just mix it up a bit so that I can do these cornrows, and yeah, they look so amazing and so nice. I'm just proud of how they've turned out and I'm just proud of myself with the work that I have done.
Hail me if they're hating on me, make the carry go. Pon me radio. Every day they play me pon me radio. Then they feel me. Anytime they see me pon the video. They want to see when me chilling pon me yard and me sitting on the low key.